He's gonna get pwned right in the head though. All right, time to make him a movie star, ladies and gentlemen. Ha ha! Surprise, Goose! It is snow goose hunting time in North Dakota, and you don't want to know what? I couldn't find anybody to go snow goose hunting with me this weekend, so guess what? It's just gonna be me and Blue. You guys wanted some more solo hunts? Well, you're about to get it. So here's the situation. Tomorrow we're supposed to get a snowstorm, and I just found an absolute crap ton of geese in a field. I got permission from the farmer. It's just gonna be Blue and I. So what we're gonna do, it is gonna start snowing at about 4 o'clock tomorrow morning and snow till about noon tomorrow. We're supposed to get 1 to 3 inches. These snow geese have a tendency to get real dumb when it snows like that. So what we're gonna do is Blue and I are gonna go set up about 350 sock decoys, 1 e-collar, 4 clones, and 1 A-frame. I found a edge hide that we can get in, get out of the decoys, get out of the wind, get out of the snow, set up, and hopefully we can smack some snow geese for you. So this is what you guys wanted. You guys have been requesting this for a long time. You guys love the solo hunts, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna give you what you want. Blue and I, we're gonna go try to smack some North Dakota snow geese for you tomorrow in a snowstorm. So hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and let's go get some snow geese in a snowstorm. How about that? All right, ladies and gentlemen, the snow has started. Blue and I are all loaded up, ready to go. Let's go kill some snow geese, huh? All right, so got set up just in time, about 10 minutes late actually. I already have ducks and specks coming in the spread. Haven't seen a snow goose yet, but I can hear them. I got Blue down here. We got about 4 clones and about 300 socks out. Put it all out myself. I'm in an A-frame right next to a rock pile. So there's a pile of geese in here. I think we should get some in here coming in soon, but welcome back to my YouTube channel. And stay tuned and we'll see if we can't get some snow geese in a snowstorm solo. It's gonna be awesome. Ho-ho! First 2 of the morning, 2 big old blue geese. Did you see that? They come right in. Blue. Bring him here, Bo. Come on, leg band. Come on, Bo. 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 Come here. Heel. Back. No leg bands, but look at that big old blue goose. Look at that. That is a stud. Got ducks coming in the decoys. Come here, Bo. Come here, Bo. Bring him here. Fetch him here. Drop it. No. Drop it. No bands on this one either. Another stud blue. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Holy. Nice job, Blue. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Michael McNeil and I'm bringing my best hunts from all over the world. As you've seen in the prelude here, Blue and I are in North Dakota. We are hunting spring conservation snow geese. And there's another blue right here. There he is, right there. Drop it. Well, I'm trying to do an intro and I had a blue goose come right in. That's the third blue goose. And I had to get my camera back on my head so you guys could see it, and I freaking crushed him. Here comes Blue back with him. Look at that. Good boy, Blue. Good boy, Blue. Bring him here. Another big blue goose. Drop it. Yeah, big old white belly blue. A blue for Blue. Look at that. Oh, damn it. Well, I got one more. I got one. Wasn't very good shooting. They were a little up there, but not too bad. Here, Blue. Blue, here. Here, Boo. Bring him here. Fetch him here. Fetch him here. Fetch it here. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Big old snow goose. Big old snow goose. Well, I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen. I should have probably had 2 or 3 or maybe even 4 out of that last flock. I got one, but I mean, they were a little up there, but they were definitely killable. So I'm only human, I guess. But criminy, we got 3 blues and 1 snow goose already. That's pretty awesome for a solo single man shoot. There we go. Come on, turn in. Turn in. Turn in. Turn in. There we go. There, I got 3. There, we got 3. Good job. There we go. 3 of them. Good boy. There, he got that sailor. He got that sailor. Got that snow. Here he comes back with it. That was about a 300-yard blind retrieve away over there. He's coming back with it. Man, we're just crushing him in this snowstorm. Come on, give me a thumbs up. Good boy, Blue. Bring him here. Come on, Blue. Fetch it here. Fetch it here. Fetch it here. Fetch it here. Bring it here. Good boy. Another Rossi. Kennel. A couple more. There, 2 more blues. There we go. Blue. Blue. Another snow. This is turning into a pretty freaking wild hunt, ladies and gentlemen. Just a pretty wild hunt. Remember, it's just me out here, and I've got a pile of geese already, all nice big adults, and they are decoying so freaking good in the snowstorm. Freaking awesome. Golly, this is fun. There we go. Juvie. Juvie snow goose. Blue. Well, that's the first juvie of the morning. Single right above us. He got clobbered. Get him, Blue. That's pretty awesome. Good boy. Good boy. Bring him here. Bring him here, Blue. Boo Boo, bring him here. Drop it. Drop it. No. There he comes. All right, one more for the pot. That wasn't too bad. It wasn't too bad. We're getting some. Snow's kind of letting up a little bit, and they're not decoying as good now, but we're still getting them. Got one. Got one. Golly. You know, I'm not making any excuses, but it's pretty cold out and I've got a lot of layers on. And it's tough to shoot once you get all these layers on and stand up and get your footing and everything. But I'm killing a few out of every flock. That's not too bad, but probably should have had a double out of that one at least. But we got one. We got one. We're crushing them in the snowstorm, just absolutely waxing them. You know, that's the thing. I always say it, you know, when there's an act of nature like wind, snow, fog, rain, it just makes these birds get dumb. And I'm so happy I came out here today. It's cold, it's wet, it's miserable, but I'll tell you what, you aren't gonna ever get any better decoying than this on adult snow geese. So we're getting a whole pile of them. So hit that thumbs up, come on. There's a blue goose. There we go. Two, maybe three, another one going down. He's not gonna make it. Snows. Pile's getting pretty big, and I got a whole bunch behind me too. We are absolutely spanking them, ladies and gentlemen. This is so much fun. Solo, snowy, blizzard, North Dakota spring conservation hunt. Man, we are just, it's so much fun. So much fun. I hope you guys are enjoying this because it's wet, cold, miserable, but I'm warm on the inside, right where it counts, right here. So I'm not gonna lie, this spring has been a pretty tough spring. We haven't really been getting into them all that well. We've been shooting quite a few, but not crazy. But you know, when you see the weather change, it doesn't matter the number of decoys. You guys overlook the most important part. Decoys, sound, motion. It's all critical and it's all important in the snow goose game. But the most important part is timing, weather, and being where the birds want to be. You know, you can sit in a migrator rig all spring or whatever, but if you wait till the time's right and you get on a nice feed and you wait for some fog or wind or snow or snowstorm or blizzard like I'm in right now, I mean, it's the great equalizer. It's the great equalizer, ladies and gentlemen. You know, you can't ever go wrong getting out and hunting. But today is something special. This is a pretty special day, and I'm excited. Got some more coming. There we go, another big blue down. Blue. Bring him here, Bo. Bring me that blue goose. Bring him here, Bo. Bring him here, fetch him here. Fetch him here. Fetch him here. There we go. Drop it. Drop it. Look at that penguin, ladies and gentlemen. That's what we call a blue goose interphase penguin. There we go. Another blue goose. Another blue. Boom, in the water. Those ones just didn't want to come in the best. But Blue's got him. Y'all wet, buddy? Bring him here, Blue. Fetch him here. Fetch him here. Fetch him here. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Oh! Another big old snowy blue. Two or three. Blue. Blue. Well, that was a pretty freaking cool flock. Got 3 or 4 out of that. So that last big flock ended up getting 4 out of it. 2 died right in the decoys, and then 1 in the pond, and then another 1 deeper. Blue got them all. But you know, what really sucks is it's pretty windy and blowing and snowing and everything, and when you shoot, they're in pretty close, and you drop the first couple, but then they freaking lift up out of there pretty gosh dang quick. And like I said, it's only 1 of me, and I got my Benelli here, and I only I got 6 or 7 shells in there, I think. So you know, it's once they get out of the hole pretty gosh dang quick. But golly, you can't get them to decoy any better than that. That's so much fun in a blizzard. Ha ha! Right in the head. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you just watched me whack that single. I got old Wes on the phone from Prairie Tales Podcast. You guys just heard me do an episode with him. So make sure you go to Prairie Tales Podcast. Say hi to the YouTube world, Wes.
Hey, everybody.
He called me, and I just had that single snow come in, and he got whacked right in the beak with some black clouds. So yeah, we're trying to organize a hunt, but he says all the birds are down where I'm at, and I kind of agree with him. So stay tuned, and let's see if we can't whack a few snows here, ladies and gentlemen. There we go. Got him. Big old blue goose. Good job, Blue. He thought he was up there too far, but he wasn't too far for the black cloud. Good boy, Blue. Bring him here. Good dog. Bring him here, Blue. Drop it. Drop it. Nope. This one's got freckles. Look at that. He's got freckles. There he goes. Watch him, watch him, watch him, watch him. Ha ha! Take that, Goose. Hold on, ladies and gentlemen. Hold on, I gotta get the old YouTube. All right, so that was with the GoPro on my phone with your best friend Jed Swaygarden, ladies and gentlemen, one-handed with the Benelli and the black cloud, and that goose got roasted.
And I'm proud he's banded.
All right, let's see if he's banded. Jed, last time Jed was on the phone with me when I shot one, he was banded, so let's see. Blue. Dude, if this one's banded.
Yeah, you'll be calling me all the time.
I know. Jed, you just, I'll pay for your phone plan. You just stay on it. Let's see if it's banded. Last time I was on the phone with Jed, it was banded.
Who got it?
He's got it right here. Coming back with it. No band. Rossi. Look at that Rossi.
Nice goose, though.
Yeah, that's a nice Rossi. Guess old Tom Knapp ain't got shit on me, huh, ladies and gentlemen? On the phone, holding GoPro on the hat, phone in my left hand, Benelli in my right, and whack, 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 bam. That was fun. Got one, Blue. Well, that one was up there. Those 2 are up there, but one of them got. All right, there's two coming right over the top here.
Don't tell her straight up. Don't be an idiot.
Oh, there you go. There we go. Blueberry. All right, YouTube world, you can see old Wade Kelly there working while we're whacking snow geese.
Slaving away. No invite for the snow goose hunt.
I'd have gladly used your slave labor to put these decoys out, trust me.
Yeah, I mean, that's how it goes. That you get a YouTube-worthy hunt, and I suddenly don't get an invite.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just taking a little break from picking up. I want to thank you guys for stopping out and watching this video of this solo North Dakota blizzard hunt. Blue and I absolutely had a blast. We ended up with 52 birds. It was pretty freaking awesome for a one-man shoot. And to be completely honest with you, I didn't even shoot that good today. So I made some good shots and got a lot of doubles, but I felt like I should have had some triples and quads. But maybe I'm just being hard on myself. What do you guys think? Put it in the comment section below. Did I shoot good or not shoot good? You guys tell me. But keep tuning in. Hit that subscribe button. Ring that bell so you can be the first one to know when I release a new video. And until next time, from Blue and I, make 'em rain.